If your YouTube videos are getting 0 views, your keyword might be the problem. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get keywords that actually bring views to your YouTube channel, even if you're a small channel. I'm not just going to be showing you how to get them. I'm going to be teaching you how to place them on your YouTube video so that you can generate more views. It is very important for you as a creator to understand what keywords are. Keywords are what people type into YouTube search, and your job as a creator is to match your videos to those searches. The next step now is how to find your keywords. There are 3 ways of finding your keywords. Number 1, you can use the YouTube search bar. Number 2, you can use ChatGPT. Yes, you can use ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT for my keyword research for YouTube. And the third one, you can use many of those YouTube channel management tools like vidIQ. A hot tip I have for you is that you can ask ChatGPT to write your description for you. This is what I do a lot of the times, and it brings me results. Simply use this prompt. Act as a YouTube SEO expert. My video topic is how to use keywords to get more views on YouTube. Give me high search, low competition YouTube keywords. Target beginner YouTubers with small channels. Include long tail keywords that are easy to rank for. And you can see that ChatGPT has done just that. It has given me long tail keywords, very easy to rank for. I want to just tell you that do not panic. ChatGPT will do the entire work for you. Just follow this video as I am going. Next, it will give me high intent search keywords, as you can see, like I asked it in the prompt. Next, it will also go ahead and give me question-based keywords. Not just that, ChatGPT will also give me keywords for tags, keywords that I can copy and paste in my tags. Even though this is not necessary, I just think you should do that. That is the tags. Next, ChatGPT will go ahead and show me the different title options that I can use for this video, and this is my best part of it, that I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is just prompt ChatGPT and to go ahead and do all of this for me. If you're a beginner YouTuber, you don't have to stress also. All you need to do is follow this process in every of your videos and you are good to go. You are going to get keywords, optimized title, description, and tags. You can see the simple high CTR title. So a lot of you people wonder how those big YouTubers or those upcoming YouTubers do it. This is what they do. They have processes that simplify and give them results every single time. Next, click on the text box in ChatGPT and type in write SEO optimized description. Also, create tags plus hashtags. Plus hashtags, and I'll write or type in finally craft a click worthy thumbnail text. Yes, this comes with the kit, and ChatGPT will go ahead and give you a fully optimized description. Another thing I want to tell you is that you have to also edit your description. For this description, I'm going to remove the first line that says want to get more views. I don't think it's necessary. I'm just going to start from I show you how to use keywords on YouTube for beginners, because this is a part of the keywords it's generated earlier for me. You can see that in the second paragraph, immediately after writing, you will learn ChatGPT went in with another keyword, YouTube keyword research for small channel. It's also a long keyword. There's a long tail keyword that I generated earlier for me. Notice how ChatGPT naturally inserted the keywords in the description. In addition to the description that ChatGPT generated, it also generated hashtags for me, and they are just 3 in number because YouTube will disregard your hashtag if there are more than 3. So I'll just copy the hashtag in ChatGPT, then go to the description in YouTube and paste it below my description. You can place it above if you like. Lastly, your keywords should be spoken generously in your videos. When you are shooting your video or when you're making your video, you should make sure that you say your keywords in your videos. This will also help give YouTube the direction your video is going, or in front of which audience they should place your video. Here are some few rules to keep in mind when searching for the right keyword for your YouTube videos. Make sure that the intent of your keywords are clear, and also make sure that they are long keywords. I'm going to give you an example how to edit on CapCut. Is a keyword that is clear and long, as against CapCut edit CapCut. No, you don't use such type of keywords and expect it to make sense for YouTube. Or how to use keywords to get more views on YouTube. You can see the intention of this keyword is clear and it's also long, as against YouTube keywords. Keyword YouTube, it doesn't make sense. Search-based video grows slowly but consistently. One good keyword video can give views for years. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments if you have one, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.